mga Jai and Jong, this is my third video of giving opinion. O, diba? Well, this is not all about pagiging as if that I know everything. No, no. Well, hindi ko lang talaga mapigilang i-share ang conversation of me and a certain viewer ng mga videos ko here in my TikTok account. Aaminin ko sa inyo na nung una, yung rason ko ng paggagawa ng mga videos is just like keeping videos for myself and for my future mga anak. Na paulit-ulit kong sinasabi naman during my vlog na instead of deleting those videos, naisipan kong i-compile and make it a video. By then, it might be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, or magiging matanda na ako, or may mga magiging apo na ako. I could still go back on those memories na very unforgettable. It might be yung brain ko makakalimutin na, but with the help of this social media, etong mga technology natin ngayon, it might be somehow, di ba? This is my way or tool that I could inspire person or people out there. And even so, yung mga anak ko or magiging apo ko. But you know what, guys? I am very happy because out of nowhere, I received a private message and she was being very open naman about her intentions or even dreams in life. Hindi ko inakala na may mai-inspire pala sa mga videos ko. Okay, disclaimer lang ha, before I post this video, I asked permission naman, no? So anyways, going back to the topic, as I ran through the conversation that we had, I was moved or natouched ako sa experience niya with her friends. Actually, this video is in connection with my quote or thought of the day a while ago about we're not everyone's cup of tea. So sa madaling salita, kahit na yung mga taong tinuturing mo na kaibigan mo, they might be the reason that will drag you down if and only if you will live according to their thoughts and opinion. What I mean, yung nagpapakontrol ka, di ba? Kasi nga, and kesyo nga, may point naman din sila. Yun yung nakaka-minus points sa mga pangarap natin sa buhay. In our conversation, to summarize it all, she foresee herself of becoming a seafarer one day. And sabi ko naman sa kanya, that, you know what, I was once a person, na katulad mo lang din. Yung I imagine one day ganito, ganyan, one day magiging ganito ako. And that one day turns to day one. Well, then siguro ang maa-advise ko lang sa mga taong nakaka-encounter ng ganitong situation, tatagan nyo lang yung decision mo. Keep on praying, working on your dreams. Kasi for me, a dream without being asked or being prayed with God, magiging isang dream lang talaga yan. Pero pag sinabayan mo ng pagdadasal, taos-pusong ina-ask or hinihingi mo talaga kay Lord, the miracle will happen. Trust me, because I've experienced that one. So that's it for today. I hope you could find this video as a reminder. As you wake up every day, magiging reminder mo ito na napakasarap mabuhay, Promise.